Question 12. I buy a pack of crisps for 25p, a bar of chocolate for 21p, and a pencil. If I receive 24p change from £1, how much does the pencil cost? First of all, I'm going to work out how much everything cost altogether. I'm going to do this by using a number line, and I'm going to start with £1 at one end and then work out how much we paid. So if I put £1 here, and remember £1 is the same as 100 pence, and we know that we received 24 pence change from this pound, I'm going to therefore count backwards 24 from 100 pence. So first of all, I'm going to count backwards 10 pence like this, and this means I would be at 90 pence. 100 take away 10 is 90. Then I'm going to take away another 10 pence like this, and this means I would be at 80 pence. 90 take away 10 is 80. And then I'm going to take away the final 4 pence. If I take 4 pence away from 80, I'm at 76 pence. So the £1 that we paid with the change that we received, which was 24 pence, means in total we must have paid 76 pence. We know that the cost of the chocolate bar and the crisps were 21 and 25 pence, so we can use another number line to help us now. If we start at 0 and we think about the bar of chocolate first of all, which cost 21 pence. So 21 pence, this of course means we'd be at 21 pence. And now I'm going to add the packet of crisps, which cost 25 pence. I can do this by first of all adding 20 pence, like this, and this means I would be at 41 pence, and then adding the remaining 5 pence. The crisps cost 25 pence altogether. So this means I would be at 46 pence. And remember, everything cost 76 pence altogether. We worked this out by taking away the change from our 100 pence. This means that if I'm at 46 pence when I've bought the crisps and the chocolate bar, whatever the remainder is must have been the cost of the pencil. So we need to work out the difference from 46 to 76. We can see the units are the same in both numbers, only the tens have changed, so I'm therefore going to count up in 10 pences like this. 10, another 10, and one more 10 like this. If I added 10 pence on, I would be at 56 pence, another 10 pence would be at 66 pence, and a final 10 pence would be 76 pence. This means the cost of the pencil was 10, 20, 30 pence altogether.